Hey, all you language lovers! Welcome to the world of Finnish, where every word is an adventure and every sentence is a chance to learn something new. Are you ready for an exciting journey into the world of the Finnish language? This journey isn't just about learning the language, but also about understanding the culture and traditions. Finnish pronunciation might seem a little challenging at first, but believe me, it's easier than you think. Once you learn the basic rules, you'll notice that Finnish is a logical and beautiful language. With a little patience and practice, you'll be speaking Finnish like a native in no time. Together, we can make learning fun and rewarding. Let's begin. Learning a new language is like making new friends. It's a journey that opens doors to new possibilities and experiences. Learning a new language is like making new friends. It's a journey that opens doors to new possibilities and experiences. It opens up a whole new world of experiences and connections. With Finnish, you can communicate with Finns and understand their unique culture. And just like making friends, it all starts with communication. When you learn Finnish, you can create new friendships and deepen existing ones. So let's dive into the wonderful world of Finnish pronunciation and unlock the secrets of this unique language. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go! This journey will be full of surprises and new insights. First, let's talk about vowels. Vowels are the foundation of Finnish, and understanding them is key to speaking fluently. Finnish has 8 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, Y, A, O. Each of these vowels has its own unique sound, which stays the same no matter what word it appears in. Good news! Each vowel has a consistent sound, which makes learning them much easier than English vowels. In English, vowels can be tricky because they can sound different in different words. Remember those tricky English vowels with multiple pronunciations? Not in Finnish. Finnish vowels are always clear and consistent. Let's try pronouncing them together. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U, Y, A, O. Notice how each vowel sounds the same, regardless of where it appears. See? Not so scary, right? Finnish vowels are like music to the ears when pronounced correctly. Here's a fun fact. Vowel length is very important in Finnish. The length of a vowel can completely change the meaning of a word, so it's important to pay attention to how long you hold the vowel sound. A longer vowel can completely change the meaning of a word. For example, the word tuli means fire, while tuli means wind. See how a small difference can completely change the meaning? For example, koti means home, while koti means towards. This difference is important to understand so you can communicate clearly and accurately. Let's try again. Koti and koti. Notice how a small difference in vowel length can change the meaning of the word. Did you notice the difference in how long you hold the vowel sound? With practice, you'll learn it in no time. Finnish vowels are beautiful and melodic, and mastering them opens the door to fluent and enjoyable communication. Now let's move on to consonants. Consonants are an important part of Finnish, and mastering them will help you speak more fluently and understandably. Finnish consonants are pretty straightforward, with a few fun twists. They're not as complicated as you might imagine, but they do have their own quirks that make them unique. The Finnish R is rolled, just like in Spanish or Italian. This might seem challenging at first, but with practice, it becomes easier. Mastering the R sound is important because it appears in many Finnish words. Imagine gargling mouthwash. That's the sound you're going for. This image might help you find the right technique for producing the R sound. Practice this sound daily, and you'll notice your progress. Don't worry, it might feel strange at first, but with practice, you'll get it. Let's try it with the word ranta, beach. Ready? Ranta. Excellent. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every small step forward brings you closer to fluent Finnish. Another important consonant is T. This consonant is common in Finnish, and pronouncing it correctly is important for clarity. It's similar to the English thieth in the word thing, but the tongue is pressed more firmly against the teeth. Think of it as a more decisive the sound. This small difference makes the Finnish T sound clearer and sharper. For example, talo, house, is pronounced with this firm T sound. Let's try it. Talo. Perfect. Keep practicing, and you'll find that Finnish consonants will come naturally to you. Remember, every practice session brings you closer to your goal. Now let's talk about a fun feature of Finnish called vowel harmony. It's like a fun puzzle. Finnish words generally use either front vowels, A, O, Y, or back vowels, A, O, U, but not both in the same word. Think of it this way. Front vowels like to hang out with other front vowels, and back vowels like to stick together. This makes Finnish words harmonious and pleasant to the ear. For example, iksi, 1, uses front vowels, while kaksi, 2, uses back vowels. Easy peasy, right? Part 5. Double the fun. Double letters in Finnish. Here's another fun fact about Finnish. Double letters matter. They indicate a longer sound which can completely change the meaning of a word. It's like the difference between a short tap and a long tap. For example, tuuli means fire, while tuuli means wind. Do you notice how the W in tuuli makes the vowel sound longer? Let's try it together. Tuuli and tuuli. See? Double letters, double the fun. Part 6. Stress in Finnish. Easy peasy. Stress in Finnish is super easy. Almost always the first syllable of the word is stressed. That's it. No complicated rules or exceptions to remember. For example, kaksi, 2, and kirjasto, library, are both stressed on the first syllable. See? Told you it was easy. Part 7. Tricky sounds. You've got this. Now let's tackle a few tricky sounds. The Finnish J is pronounced like the English Y in the word yes. So joki, river, sounds like yoki. Don't worry, you'll get it. Just remember to channel your inner yes when you see a J. Other sounds that might trip you up are the Finnish A and O. These sounds are important for distinguishing words like saa, weather, and sata to adjust. Don't worry, with practice you'll be able to tell them apart like a pro. Part 8. Practice makes perfect. Let's practice. Now let's practice everything we've learned with a few common Finnish phrases. Repeat after me. Minä olen. I am. Haivaa päivää. Good day. Kiitos. Thank you. Näkemiin. Goodbye. Great job. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. Part 9. Keep learning. You're doing great. Congratulations on taking your first steps towards mastering Finnish pronunciation. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, practice, and most importantly, have fun. There are many great resources online and offline to help you on your language adventure. Check out language learning apps, websites, and books, or find a language partner to practice with. Keep up the great work, and you'll be speaking Finnish like a native in no time. Good luck on your journey. Subscribe to the channel for more such language learning tips.